Hello. Welcome back to my channel Life of Pri. This is Priyanka, and yes, I'm in super jolly mood as I am in New York City and it is so Christmassy here. Well, without wasting any time, let me show you what I did and where I hung out during the holiday season in New York City. Well, we stayed at Marriott Marquis, located right at the heart of Times Square. The hotel has two entrances and it also has a pickup and drop off zone as well as offers valet parking. Marriott Marquis was totally dressed up for the holidays. This week we ended up staying on the 42nd floor. So let me take you to my room and give you a room tour. So this was our view. To be honest, I liked it but didn't love it as our previous days because it was so high above Times Square. We could hardly see Times Square, and that is where the ball drop occurs, and it's going to happen very soon on 31st December. So the view was good, at least you could see Times Square, but because we were so high up in the building, we really had to look down to spot Times Square. If you're looking for a cool sushi experimental experience, then Sushi Lab is the place for you. It's located on the rooftop of Sanctuary Hotel, and there's an elevator that brings you up till the 6th floor, and then you climb the next 2 floors to get here. The place was beautifully decorated and it was so cozy and lovely. Make sure you reserve your tables beforehand because it's very difficult to just walk in and get a table, especially in the evenings. The menu out here is extremely interesting if you're up for some experimental sushi, but I actually wanted to try out uni or sea urchins, and that's why I was here. For drinks, I ordered the Kyoto Yuzu or the citrus sake, which was kind of okay. Renal ordered a beer for himself along with the spicy tuna tartare and the yellow tail, and he absolutely loved his specialty rolls. Well, it was time for me to taste uni for the first time ever. So uni is sea urchins, and the only edible part of sea urchins are the gonads. Let me put it this way. Uni tastes interesting. It's creamy, buttery, a bit salty probably, like maybe briny, but it did not smell fishy at all. It wasn't bad actually. It was custardy and I didn't mind it. In fact, I liked it and I would have it again given a chance. I also ordered a hand crab roll, which was quite tasty, and the overall experience for both of us was pretty good here, and we are definitely coming back again to Sushi Lab, preferably during the daytime because I want to experience the morning ambience here. How could I not visit the Harry Potter store when I'm in New York City during the holidays? The shop was packed with holiday goodies, you guys. I was mesmerized, and I'm going to share my haul really soon, like in a few minutes, so stay tuned for it. Well, here's what I got. I did drink butterbeer over there, and that's the souvenir cup. And I also bought 2 bottles of butterbeer that have the Christmas sticker on, so that's going to be added to my collection. And I also bought this cookie that you can see here, a golden snitch cookie, which we are going to taste a little later in this video. I also got myself Gryffindor House woolen gloves. I have the scarf already, so now the gloves is going to complete the set. This is a little big for my hands, but I don't mind it. And this was my most favorite item from my shopping spree today. Like, look at this backpack, look at the flying key and the Hogwarts castle. There's also Hedwig on top. The store had such cute backpacks today. I wanted to buy them all, but of course I couldn't. I chose this one because this one was my favorite. I absolutely love everything about it, especially because it's pink. It's not any of the house colors and it's a unique neutral pink color. So this was my absolute favorite from today's haul. I bought two of these holiday special tote bags. This is a Christmas themed and the other one is Hogwarts Express themed. So I'm going to add them to my collection and I love them a lot. So these were the items I got today and I absolutely loved them as always, but the backpack was by far my favorite one. New York City is all lighted up in the evening, and if you're looking for some special holiday cheer, then Macy's Herald Square is the place for you. The window displays are so awesome. I could just stand here and look at all of them forever and ever. Now let's head back to 6th Avenue near Radio City and check out all the Christmas decorations. But before that, it's time to try out the Golden Snitch cookie. Well, it was meh. Okay, just a regular sugar cookie, nothing extraordinary. It was just okay. And as Kevin's mom had said in Home Alone 2, the tallest and the biggest Christmas tree that you can find in the area would be at the Rockefeller Center. And another free thing that you can do here during the holiday season would be watching the Saks Fifth Avenue light show that happens every 10 minutes during the holiday season evenings. We always love New York City during this time of the year, and this year was no different. So that's it for this video, you guys. Please subscribe to my channel and shower lots and lots of love to this video and to my channel as well. I'll see you soon, but I'll see you next year. So here's wishing all of the viewers of Life of Pri a bright and beautiful 2023. Happy New Year, you guys. Bye.